Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. It's a very simple and I think very elegant Christmas card. So let me show you what I did. I have in my stamp apparatus here a piece of Whisper White which measures 10.5 by 3.5 centimetres. And this is the stamp set we're going to be using. It's called Wrapped in Christmas, and we're going to be using the sentiment that says Christmas blessings to you and yours. And I'm going to be stamping in Night of Navy ink because that matches the designer series paper. So I'm just going to try and get that inked up nicely like that. And I have it set up in my stamp apparatus. I'm just going to take my magnets out of the way. Because it's such a small piece of paper, and this way I can get it nicely lined up just like that. So close up my ink pad because I've always got a tendency to stick my fingers in the ink pad if I'm not careful, so I'm just going to give my little stamp a little clean with my simple chamois so I don't get ink everywhere. But last time I was filming my hands were covered in ink, I got it absolutely everywhere. So set that aside and bring this back, and we're going to mat this on a piece of the copper, what's this called, copper foil sheet. So just bring that here and we're just going to centre, try and centre it in the middle of our piece, and all the measurements will be on my blog, on the blog post, and the link to that is in the description box below. So our card base is thick Whisper White, so this is a standard A6 card base, so that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And the designer series paper I'm using is Brightly Gleaming. Now we had this in the catalogue last year and it's made a reappearance in our winter catalogue again. So I'm very pleased about that because I had leftovers so I could just continue to use it, so that's always a bonus. Now I am going to pop up a sentiment using some dimensionals, so let's put them on here. Okay, and as you know I'm fairly generous with my dimensionals because I want the thing to be stuck down properly. I don't want it to be wiggling around, so that should do. Just give it a bit of a press because, like all double-sided tape, foam tape, it's all pressure adhesive tape, so you know, if you give it a bit of a press it's going to stick down much better than if you don't, and it makes getting the backings off a little bit easier. So now we're just going to try and get that centered like that, and that is it, done and dusted. Really simple, easy card, but I think they look really pretty. I'm really pleased with how they turned out. I hope you like them too. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about the project, as I said, sizings, measurements, link to the online shop, etc., it's all in my blog post, and the link to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!